Take your Smart-Way Raceway system to the next level with the Flush In-Feed, now available for designing with our online Smart-Way Configurator. To add the Flush In-Feed, select it from the bottom of the In-Feed drop-down menu. This low-profile solution is designed to route both power and data cables directly from the wall into the raceway. You can rotate, move, and adjust the placement with the on-screen controls, providing a real-time view of how it integrates into your layout. Want to customize the color? Click through the color mix options using the button on the top left of your screen. The white option provides a fully paintable in-feed, making it easy to match your room's color scheme or decor.